Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lamps, fog lamps, cruise control, air conditioning, console, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.